16 months. A month after he learned how to swing a bat. I think she can do it with Dad. Look at that. Little psycho. Where are you going? Oh, he's running. Hold it right. Oh! Oh! You gotta hold it right, Bubba. There you go. Good swing. Go. Oh, sniper! Sniper! Look at that face. Look at that face. Hey, look at that face. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face right there. Look at that face. Oh, he's gonna grab Daddy's bat and try it. Oh! Go, Bubba, go! Good job. If you notice from last month to this month, his brother goes, where'd you go? Oh, gee. You think you're Babe Ruth grabbing 2 bats? Oh, jeez, Bubba. Hold on. No, fun pine cone. What is that? What is it? Go, Bubba, go! Sniper! Sniper! Good swing, Bubba. Yeah, home run, that's why you didn't run. Good job. Oh, wait for me to get out of the way with my bat. Whoa. Oh, oh, you got the other ball. Be careful. Well, now we're going left-handed. Where are you going? This ain't cricket. You don't run the other way. Oh, we're done for ball for a minute. We want to swing. What are you doing? Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that. What are you doing? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. Tristan, ball back of your head. Hi.
Hi.
Can you say hi, Grandma?